say that would be able to get in this way, but it's easier. It's coming straight from the heart. Oh, give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we can make love start.
Ito, yung makasi ng video. Eh, kayo make picture eh. Ito video. Nakapon ba yan?
I see you on the streets all the time, and all of my words will just fall out of line, but we're dreaming straight from the heart. Oh, give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we can make one more start. You know I'll never move as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart. Okay, gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta nyo ngayong gabi dito sa Bistro Manila. Welcome ulit. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-birthday ngayon. Hindi nyo na birthday. Yan, belated happy birthday na sa inyo. Ayan. So, sa ulitin dito pa rin sa Bistro. Okay, so we still have a special guest for tonight.
Ayan. Meron pong nag-request ng Ikaw Lang Ang Mamahalin. From Mark Armory. Ikaw Lang Ang Mamahalin. Sino pong nag-request? Mark? Ah, kayo po. Mark? Ah, kayo po kakanta.
Memorize niyo po yung kantang yan? Try niyo po. Alam ni Arte, wala si Jessa ng lyrics ng song.
Wala kang lyrics ng
Okay, so I think we have to skip that song doon. Hindi niya memorize eh. Okay, subukan niyo po kung kantahin. Ayaw? Final? Final decision? Okay, gusto ko na lang tawagin nag-request ng Faithfully. Meron akong copy ng Faithfully by Journey. Walang pangalan eh, so I don't know kung... Ikaw to? Okay. Mr. Mon? Okay.
Si Sir Ramon pala yun.